Yeah.
Oh, show Mo this. Don't say what it is. It's the title is Wildest 2K Glitch of All Time.
Is there sound?
This has how many? It has a lot of thumbs up or upvotes on Reddit. 23,000 in Arc Gaming. This is NBA 2K, and this is a glitch. Go ahead.
Oh. Just a quick line there.
Now, check this out.
Whoa.
Check this out. The powder, and then look, he rubs his nose as well with his left hand.
Does he really?
Look, watch his left hand.
Yeah. Yeah, he just wipes his cheek real quick.
That's out of control. What a weird glitch. Is it
a glitch, really?
Is it a glitch?
I don't know.
It almost looks
Why
like,
is that white powder there?
well, the white powder
Yeah.
is for your hands, right?
Yeah, the chalk or
okay.
yeah,
something.
the chalk, but or baby powder, I guess whatever the
That's
guys like.
hilarious.
There's always
That's
different
funny.
types of powders and things over on the side. But does his head smear it more than it's already smeared? Does it actually interact with it? It does.
It does. It looks like it, at least.
It does by the looks of it.
Yeah.
Here we
But
go.
Reddit's a fun
Watch
place.
it. Look at that. It pushes more of the material. So does that mean he has it on his face during the rest of the game? I mean, I have so many questions here.
Oh, God.
So is this a
That's
glitch
fun.
or is that on purpose, guys? It just seems like I mean, the other guy was kind of weirdly bending over too. It just didn't manage to pull it off in that way. Oh, I think I know what happened. I think he's
What
going
happened?
to
Pick up the ball?
The animation is going to
Tie his
fix the
shoes?
shoes.
Okay.
Like the guy to the left.
Yeah.
Except this guy at the time rides it out on top of the table.
It gets funnier and funnier.
It's just well choreographed.
Yeah.
That's fun.
It's a crazy glitch. That's how you like to have fun, Will?
I mean, it looked
That was funny.
be this character over here.